So, welcome again to your spelling class. Today is Wednesday, September the 2nd, 2020, and what we are going to do is to continue learning some new words. Remember that during this week, we are working with awesome words from spelling list number 22 on page 42. So, remember that this week we are learning about the words and where those words come from. What place is the place of each word? So here I have the word number 11 is the word bouquet. Bouquet. And it's a French word. Yes. In Spanish means ramillete or ram. Then we have the word court. Court. The lawyer presented his evidence in the court. You're going to copy each one of the words one by one. And also it's a French word. The next word is a Italian word. Yes, in the word is the word pasta. We went to an Italian restaurant for a pasta dinner. Fideos or spaghetti. The next word is another Italian word. Sure. There was a beautiful fountain in the center of the plaza. Plaza is an Italian word. The next word is the word violin. Violin. Ellie was running late for her violin lesson. And also it's an Italian word. The next word is a word from another country. Yes, the powerful storm developed into a typhoon. Typhoon is a Chinese word and means typhoon or hurricane. The next word is the word window. Window. And it's a Scandinavian word. Mother hung a sun catcher on the window. The next word is the word waffle. Waffle. So, Patty ate a waffle with strawberries and ice and creams on it, and it's a Deutschland word. The next word is the word pretzel. Pretzel. Will you like yourself pretzel salt or unsalt? The next word is the word kindergarten, and it's the last word for today. Kindergarten, and it's a German word. So your homework is 5 times repetition from 11 to 20. See you on the next class.